Title: Your Financial Garden, Cultivating a Healthy Cash Flow. You ever try your hand at gardening? Getting your hands dirty, planting seeds, watching them grow. Running a business is a lot like tending to a garden, especially when it comes to finances. It's about nurturing, cultivating, and keeping things flowing. Here's how. First, understand that every seed is an investment. In a garden, you plant different seeds for different crops. In business, you invest money in product development, marketing, and hiring. Each investment has the potential to grow and bear fruit. Choose wisely, then water regularly. In business, that's your cash flow. Keeps things running. You've got to ensure there's always enough to keep the business hydrated, but not too much that it drowns. Next, patience. A gardener knows that plants don't grow overnight. You plant, you water, and then you wait. Business ain't any different. Your investments will take time to yield returns. So, be patient. Nurture your financial garden with care and consistency. Finally, weed out the unnecessary. A good gardener knows that weeds can strangle your plants. These could be unnecessary costs, bad debts, or unprofitable ventures in business. You gotta watch for these and pull them out before they choke your cash flow. So, put on your gardening gloves, grab your watering can, and get to work. Cultivate your financial garden and keep that cash flow healthy. Because a business without cash is like a garden without water. And we all know how that is. So keep it flowing, keep it growing.